So today I'm going to unbox my bedroom light. It's from the local Ronda Illuminación. So for the bedroom lighting, I have 5 lights here, the bulbs. So the 5, it's 4 watts each. So let's just wait until it is installed to the bedroom with these bedroom lights. Okay. And then we have 5 bulbs. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, just wait, this is for the bedroom. Just checking if all the items are complete. This is for the living room here, and this big box is for the dining area. So let's just check this for the, and the bulb for the living room lights is here in the dining room lights. So let's just check everything. For my living room lights, bamboo with 1 light only, so it's gonna give the ambience of fresh, chic and bohemian vibe a bit, with 7 watts LED. Okay, and for the dining area, it has 3 lights to make it a more sophisticated look and romantic. So this is for the living room, and I have this. It's all for dining area. They call it here cálido lights. It means like the warm dim light, not the cold white light. This is more 7 watts. Yeah. 3 lights for the dining, and this is so delicate and so pretty. Living room lights. Bedroom lights.